This little video is going to help you out with one of my favourites, Ready, Aim, Fire. Now this tune doesn't have to go very fast, but it's going to have a nice rocky, energetic feel to it. So we're going to play lots of really short, really hard notes with a big sound. Let's do it line by line. Now let's have a look at the second line. If you look carefully, you can see that the beginning of the line is exactly the same as the first line. So it's only really the second half of this line that you need to really concentrate on. And now the third line. This line's very different to the rest of this piece of music, so we're going to split it into two parts. Now you can even go further and split this into four parts here and just do it one bar at a time by pausing the video. But let's just do it in two parts for now. And here's the last line. Very similar to the first and second line, with just the last two bars being ever so slightly different. So keep your eyes open for that bit. Now we've done it in small sections, let's try running it all as a piece of music. Now remember, this piece doesn't go very fast, but it's got to be really punchy, have lots of really short, loud notes with a nice big sound.